soon waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no light.
I pledge to Nigeria, my country, to be faithful, loyal, and honest, and to serve Nigeria with all my strength. Now so it's supposed to be. Citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, anywhere you there for Nigeria, you there for Edo, you there for Delta, you there for Lagos, you there for Abuja, you there for Borno, you there for Benue, you there for Bayelsa, you there for Akwa Ibom, you there for Port Harcourt, you there for Nigeria and outside Nigeria. When there is life, there is hope. Today is a great day for Nigeria, Workers' Day. All over Nigeria, the workers for this country don't talk say enough is enough. When they talk say enough is enough, now because of the situations where we say workers they face for this country. But you will be that worker. Which kind of work should they work? I don't know the kind of work where they work, but as far as you be worker, it's a little in Africa. It's a little in Africa. But workers get different challenge where we say that they face for this country, Nigeria. That's why we say workers they now one day we say they don't set aside. We say they go take command to talk to the government about the situation we say that they face. But I go they ask the workers today, what will be the problem? What will be the challenge? Some of them say they need better welfare. Some of them say they need better package. Some of them say increase their. Some of them say, how you go be worker for 20 years, you not get motor, you not get house. Even apart from that, even the pensioners self, they complain their own. But different complaint there about the workers. So at the time I will talk to the workers go they talk all the things we say they happen to them. It's a little in Africa. When they come back, make una stay with us.
More soon waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no light.
Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency is on the podium, taking a salute. All the chairmen and secretaries of NSC in those states are great pensioners. Cycle Owners Association of Nigeria tour, identifying with labor today. We thank you for coming. Nigerian Union of Local Government Employees, NUGGA. When tire roll, driver must chop. And the last to close at night. They work more than 20 hours in a day. I can see my brother. And heavy goods. Of Nigeria.
I greet you, mommy. Workers' Day. Everybody they march. Different union, different people. But this country is the apple. Workers, they complain for this country. Hey! Oh, people don't tire with a march so that make president and governors make their answers. Hey! Something they happen with a march now. With a march. I get you. Love is Martino.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy water.
Edo workers will henceforth have the opportunity to attend 1 or 2 trainings annually. This will strengthen our civil service and empower our workers to do much more.
My country people, yes, them go talk, them just the parambulate, so story heavy, Nepa no bring light, generator whatever,
I go buy this car. With my 18,000 naira, I will buy her. With my 18,000 naira, I will buy her.
How much did they receive 18,000?
I go buy this car.
Buy her.
Not in my portion. How you say I not buy this car?
You know what buy her now? How much did they receive 18,000?
But how many civil servants for Nigeria go fit buy or drive this car? They chop money.
Soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy water. There is no.
The workers, they are not happy with the way the economy is right now. Look at the salary ways workers they collect. It's not even enough for workers. It's not enough to go to market, to buy things or to take care of their house, to pay picking school fees or clothe them. So what we talk now is that the federal government and the state government make them do something to alleviate the problem where workers they face. What are the ways? Number one, make them make sure say they provide good salary, pay them a living wage. What I mean by living wage is that a wage that can take care of their needs.
You see smile for my face?
No, I'm not smiling.
My they chook, as I tell you so. My they chook.
We don't come back.
Okay.
We don't see anything.
By September now, federal government they put all paper together to increase your salary to 60,000.
What is that your name?
Don General.
Don General. You don't ever see for this country that they increase salary, that they say that they set up committee. That one, the more you look, the less you see. Leave that matter for Matthias here. He not get head. They don't want to do something. That's why they say that they gather people, say me that they talk whether how much will fee increase, how much not going to increase. The last one they increase, that's what they do, huh?
You they try to
now
talk,
politics that they play with.
You they try to talk, say workers for this country they suffer.
How you see people when they see for you now? You see anybody when they smile?
Nobody they smile.
Nobody smile.
At all. We not smile. At all.
When they smile, they.
Nobody.
We go straight.
Fella talking before, suffering and smiling. Now we do.
What it concern for?
Because I'm my brother. The one they pay me for inside be say very soon now you go see all this our leader they work. Who they frack around? Don't go they follow frack around. Who they plated? Don't go they follow they plated. Just for us to vote for them. Men are not smiling. Everybody they vex. Men they be new. Nobody they happy. You know they see my face.
It shows that something needs to be done on both sides. Both sides means that workers work for pay, and people who pay require services. There's got to be a balance between those two.
Okay, you think say this minimum wage where they want to increase by September it will affect?
The minimum wage is not enough to do anything, if you want to know. But before you can ask for proper wages, you got to be able to produce proper services.
Respect to federal government. You know, say for some ministries, we not be called civil service. Level 8, they receive past level 13. Agencies, parastatals. So may they harmonize salary. Because if you remember how much one senator they carry go home, but not be here, if they mention the amount, you know now. Let me ask you.
Okay, well done. I greet you, boss. I'm right here.
Don't you?
And I see, I think say you did chat now. Have you just come?
Yesterday night.
Yesterday night, because of this.
Because of this program.
Okay. You don't talk. What be the challenge? What the workers need from federal government and state government?
Well, waiting we need them many. The Sarah for everywhere. It's just that for me, for now, I'm not sure say whether you put the kind of quote government not really there.
Huh?
For now, in quotes, whether you put the kind of government at the top, I'm not sure say it. I'm not sure say it.
What you make it talk like that?
You there, me there now. You see the software way there everywhere. It don't the land. It be like say government there. The question I ask you.
You talk now.
If government there, people go dey hungry. If government is there, water you don't get to drink. Now you go do borehole. Now you go carry light. Now you go do everything by yourself.
Okay.
18,000 minimum wage of 18,000. If you pay house rent for one room. But all those ones when they call themselves government, now free food that they chop, now free motor, now free petrol, now free life, everything, now free. They're not to pay 1 year of their own. Their allowance alone for only 1 month. It covers the salary of all the workers who are there here for a whole year. Only one person.
What do you call the talk now?
What do you say make a talk?
Okay.
When they talk, we say we want that. They say our patience, they don't over try them. If between now and this year end, they're not doing anything tangible, by next year, they will know who the Nigerian worker is.
But federal government don't talk say by September they go increase all of it.
By September, agreement by law say every 5 years. Yes. The last one, 2011, which year we did so? 2011, 2018. Now only 5 years they there. It never passes. How much be petrol that time? How much be petrol now? They themselves they buy petrol. They're not the buy. Aeroplane what they use free of charge. Buhari the USA now. Every money we want to spend for the federal government money. The ministers, all of them, free of charge.
What it could be the workers' problem now?
The workers' problem is say you don't say worker for Nigeria. You got children, you got papa, you got mama, you got brothers. And our type of life, once you stand, everybody queue behind you. 1 hour where you get, you must reach everybody. Even the 1 hour don't even reach the worker hand again. You say people they go Italy, people they go Libya, that they die for. Waiting made that they go. You don't feel ask yourself say, waiting made that they go.
And they investigate the matter. Waiting concern you for this matter.
The waiting concern me for the matter be say, are the vest. Workers the vest. Workers for those states with a vest. Our mumu, he don't do.
Yeah, you know the quarrel now.
We know the quarrel. Our mumu don't do. We be human beings, though. We get children. We get responsibilities. We get parents for house. Our mumu, he don't do. He not the rich. Money not the rich.
What it concern you for this matter?
I know concern. I'm not a worker.
Yes.
No first, so I ask what it
I go best.
Okay, what will be the challenge now?
Now we dey tell you some money.
Not rich.
We not dey see money. Come on, the allowance. It cover 200 people workers. Then they tell me with the side patient. We patient. But not be when we dey allow we enjoy our work.
Federal government don't talk say by September they go increase.
Now September watch up.
Who contact before that time? Wetin go happen? Who not job today?
Wait, I don't want to talk this.
No, let me ask you this question. May I ask you this question? Answer am yourself. How much you take the enter transport last year?
Don't dare. How you see this situation?
The situation too bad. Very horrible. But pathetic.
You not government worker?
Of course now.
Which ministry you did?
I be teacher now.
Teacher? For this country, teacher go work for 20-25 years and not get car.
Money come and don't finish am. I dey spend that in absentia. Now just to collect and share for the owners again.
Talk to the government now.
Make government help us increase salary. We are demanding for minimum wage of 66,000 just about 66,000.
If you pay that money,
how many? How much? Senator, how much senator they receive?
House of Assembly.
Senator, how much they receive?
This is our problem. You they talk. If they talk.
Wait.
Well done, sir. How's the family, sir? Love this party, Oga. Okay, what will be the problem and challenge of workers for this country, Nigeria? Because people go just they talk. See, government now make you talk to them now.
Well, one of our challenges. Okay, one of our challenges when we get, that be say, government should take very good care of workers and Again, the environment when we dey work, it get as it be. Some of the environment are not in good condition. If you take a stroll to some of the offices, furnitures which we will sit down, they are in a serious jeopardy. So, well, the salary is still not enough based on the living in Nigeria now. Things are very costly. You don't fit buy something. Even Zogbo of Gari, we know how much it be. If Zogbo of Gari or rubber of Gari be 1,000, a family for 4 children, the man and the wife. If you take out your twice, times 1,000 in every 4 days, and to give a month, you see that it's more than 18,000.
But federal government don't talk about September now that they plan to increase.
We don't ever reach September now. The waiting we go eat before September. Now we want to die before September. Not be person don't eat day. Not be go chop for September.
Okay, now come back to your state, Edo State. Talk to your governor now. What if
yes, our governor to an extent is trying. Whether the salary is small or not, he's paying us as when due. We still appreciate.
To be faithful, loyal, and honest, and to serve Nigeria with all my strength. Now so it's supposed to be. This man are from my constituency. I thank you for the herdsmen matter. You don't say I said that matter.
It just a go.
They don't get
it just a go. Yes.
Today na Workers' Day.
Yes.
What be the challenge where workers they face for this country? And what una want make government do?
The too many now. Look at the minimum wage. It's supposed to be take-home pay. You know they take us for bus stop, talk less of home. The money not reach anything. So now we they create the wealth. But people they way they chop the money. Politicians they chop the money. Now we they create the wealth. Now that one they pay me for body. Labor create wealth. Politicians we call. They will go they chop the money. We they suffer. Look at workers. Look at in short. Workers they suffer. Take up pay. Living wage. Nothing. Nothing.
But federal government don't talk say by September they go increase on our salary.
My brother, don't tell what they talk on. Don't tell. I don't blame federal government. I'm a comrade. I be comrade. Now my co-comrades now I blame. They could become a toothless bulldog. They shall be back. They don't shall be bite. Because government can't get power. We get the power to coerce or maybe to force government to pay us living minimum wage. Now so
workers they suffer for this country.
They suffer too much.
Today they talk now. Today na Workers' Day.
Today na Workers' Day. For 35 years of our life, we were workers. After we don't use everything for our body to serve our state finish, we're not supposed to suffer. We're not supposed to beg for food. The funniest part they say, you know, say some of us they receive 2,000 as pension. 2,000.
You don't know before?
2,000.
As pension salary.
As pension. Month to go end. The time when they want green pay, they will pay on 2,000 for this kind of country where we did. Now we they talk, say make them harmonize. By right, every 5 years, then they're supposed to harmonize pension money. Now we they beg, make they harmonize. Then some person like me, now 2010, now I retire. They owe me 28 months of pension. They not pay me. My gratuity, they not pay me. They not harmonize. They not do anything. Now beg, no gratuity.
The one that they give us a monthly one. Now they talk.
What it concern you for this matter?
You not see me on black? Me na pensioner. My own said the one way it was for my own be say they take Ogboju collect my yellow card. They say they don't pay me. 2013, they collect a fee, they carry the thing, put for their office. Money they not give me. Today now 1 year and 22 days when they collect that thing from my hand. Money I not see. Card I not see.
Hey, I dey come. Me na pensioner. Now 1996 I retire. Up to today, since the year 2000, now the amount when I receive, now still they receive. There are some people among us when retired before even year 2000 that they receive 2,000 a month, some 1,700 a month because we are not harmonized. We don't cry, so they make them harmonize us so that we get reasonable thing. The minimum wage of 18,000 when they give people, they no extend that to pensioners. The one where they say 35,000, they no extend that to pensioners. So pensioners have been stopping. Now some they receive 2,000. That's the money. We they receive 1,700. That's the money. Harmonize us. make we still dey live. There's many of us now because of that money wey they receive. They don't fit pay house rent. They don't fit feed their wife. They don't fit take their children go school. Look at me now. I don't nearly finish. Which that they will pay me the money? I better help us.
The challenge we workers they face.
The challenge is that the salary structure for this state, everybody they receive different money. Those where they work for government has get special salary structure. Those where they judiciary get special structure. Those where they House of Assembly get special structure. So the thing and at the same market they go, that the same place everybody they go. So that thing are even problem because a level 10 officer where they government has his salary different from the one where they House of Assembly. His salary different from the one where they hospital. And at the same work would they do. And at the same pension. So if the government want to do the thing, make it harmonizer because that the same market, not the same school, not the same university, we not pay. When they go university, we not pay different school fees. So when they employ people, they're not supposed to pay different salary. The only thing they're going to pay hazard allowance, join the money. Don't be say salary structure go different. That be the problem.
Waiting they happen.
After that one, for our own National Union of Road Transport Workers, Edo State chapter, we thank our governor, Godwin Obaseki, when he allows the work for the 18 local governments of Edo State. So we thank him too much. He's a great man. But the other thing we say, the way we take the work, we don't still tell him. So it don't.
I thought say one day me and you go meet.
Yes, no.
How your side?
I did fine.
This na Toan. Who in charge of keke na pepper be?
And motorcycle.
Okay, there's difference between keke, pepper, and motorcycle.
Yes, so.
What do you make una come out today with the workers this?
Because we na worker. Anywhere affect worker, affect us. You where you be worker, that you no come out. Why you no stay for house? Now what time be this?
But keke na pep price still dey not to enter the keke.
Na keke na pep dey very easy. The money no big. With 15 naira you don't go.
All right, what will be your message to government now?
My message for government be say, make government improve on the salary because people they suffer. Now the market where the richest man for this world, Dangote they go, now poor man they go. What we don't want for government, make the whole price of goods, make it come down. Where goods come down, commodity, and even the border where they close, rice, they know they see them. We'll first make the farm, where the farm don't they produce, all this don't they produce, we'll call up border. Now people are suffering. Bag of rice, people no fit buy them again. Workers now to pay house rent, you know they easy with them. If the federal government fit make sure say every worker get house, if even have 1 bedroom flat, everybody they happy.
Workers. My brother, wetin workers dey face na say most workers dem no even dey pay them well. Dem go promote person, dem no go add incentive wey dem take promote am. Because if they promote you, there's what they call the upliftment of salary. That money dem no dey put am. If they put that money, then some people just even dey wey be say they go place them on one step, they go talk say their money no come. Maybe through one thing, the money no complete. Before you know, there's so many shortfalls on worker. Example, I will say me start work. They're supposed to pay what they call first 28 days. My brother, that first 28 days reach like 250,000 to settle for the place where you want to go because now inside Bush Research Institute. But we not see the money.
What will be the challenge of health workers for this country? I bet they know they pay their better salary.
No, be say the issue where people no could they know is that government, the ministry where they control health workers, the ministry of doctors, and if something come, not only doctors that they remember. You know what will happen now? Since not only doctor that they recognize, make doctor they give card, make them they sweep, make them they give medicine, make them they do nursing care. They not fit to them. So why they collect big money? We're not there against them, they not collect big money. But let those where they work with you too, collect the one where it be for us. You now graduate now. If you start work, they'll take level 8 start you. If doctor start, they'll take level 12 start them. And not be only that one. And at the same university now go. You go read, everybody can be doctor. Everybody can be a journalist. But what did you good for you is still good for the other person.
So for this matter,
na all of us dey go the same market as my papa first talk just now. So e good wey be say wetin good for this one make e still good for the other.
Well, as e be, we don talk, the governor don talk say he go harmonize the salary within now and a short time. You know say na journalists work pass all the people wey dey this state. Na journalists work pass because we go swallow fire, we go allow them drink water. Even na we work pass the governor. Na we work pass all the work wey dey, we go swallow fire, they go drink water because the hazards wey dey work, wey dey anywhere, na we journalists, na we dey do am. But dem no dey reward us. So we don talk say make dem dey reward us. Our weigh-in allowance, the hazard wey dem suppose to dey pay to journalists, dem no dey pay. All others say dey pay, but our Edo State governor no dey pay. So that kind of thing, we no like am. We no like am. We no like am. That is why today na Labour Day. Make we talk the thing wey dey our mind, make it still talk the thing wey dey in mind.
I tell you, if you know, say I made the follow and I go. I greet you, my guy. How are you? This is our distinguished honorable of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, representing the good people of Ikpobaka. My Excellency, the last time I saw you, now when would they prepare for your election? Yes. Since then I never see you, but your number they ring. But I got surprised yesterday. You sent me one text message. As I see the text message, I said I dream at the dream. Okay, today na Workers' Day. Yes. And you say you be the man for the people and for the people. Yes. Workers for Nigeria. Yes. Talk to us. What is the way forward? Because they complain say their salary and their take-off pay is too small.
Well, that is what we all are clamoring for.
Okay, Jabe, speak pidgin English now because
now the two all of us they worry for because the salary they receive now need not do anything. So I'm happy that the National Assembly we have keyed in and the executive have also keyed in. Something must be done. It's not about try to negotiate. What did they go pay them? When they pay them, is too small. May we put some, may we put more for them so that may they get more money to take care for their family for us. Because if I had nowhere, but soon, you know, soon is that now here again, never me go kere. Okay,
what will be your message for your people, for your constituency?
My message is say, may we work together, may we support government, Edo State government, so that better things will come for our land. If better things come, everybody go happy.
I thank God say I catch this kind of man now, honorable now for national television. Do you know my problem?
What are the problems?
Do you know my problem?
What will be the problem?
Do you know my problem?
No problem. Wake up, officer.
More soon, waiting they happen.
You know the guy what's